Can you talk to us about the Orchestra della Svizzera italiana?
In 2003, I won the audition in Orchestra della Svizzera Italiana, and I became a principal clarinet there. And it's a special orchestra. It's a very small orchestra, and me and my colleague Corrado Giuffredi, we share the place. We are both first or both second, depend. we change, And when we won, they give to us the chance to decide. Sometimes you want to play bass clarinet, or sometimes you want to play piccolo clarinet. We decide. For example, next month we have to play Mahler first, and I say, okay, I play piccolo clarinet because I already play first clarinet. I already play third clarinet with bass clarinet and piccolo clarinet. No, and I say, okay, next time I play only piccolo. This means that we have a lot of chance to, what is possible to say, to be ready to play all the time. No, first, when you don't play first, you play second, and this means that you learn not only the part of the first clarinet, you learn the part of the second. Is very interesting for me to do this kind of job, because you know all the parts, no? And after with this kind of solution to play bass clarinet or piccolo clarinet, I played a lot of time Ravel concert in G with the piccolo clarinet, or I play a lot of time Shostakovich violin concert with the bass clarinet. There is a big solo with the flute, other things, no? My orchestra is a bit short orchestra. We are only 42, 43, and this means that sometimes the repertoire that we are doing is small, no? Beethoven, Mozart, Schubert, Schumann, but sometimes we enlarge the organic of the orchestra, and we go to play the very big repertoire for the orchestra, like Mahler, Shostakovich, Bruckner. No, and it's a very flexible orchestra. No? My orchestra is a very big story because it's the first time that I became Orchestra della Svizzera Italiana was in 1935, and in that time there was Stravinsky, Celibidache, Stokowski, Strauss, like a conductor, no? And there is a very nice story about Strauss. He wrote for my orchestra the duet concertino in 1947, no? And we found the original music there, and the bassoon player that now is dead, he told us all the story about this concertino. He played a lot with the previous bassoon player that was the bassoonist of Strauss in that case, no? And it's a very nice story about that, no? Because all this conductor, all this composer, they wrote something for my orchestra in the mid too, and this is very nice. And another nice things for my orchestra is that we record all the week the concert, no, with the radio, for the radio, and this give to us, for me especially, the possibility to listen, no? What are you doing, no? It's not the time to relax yourself, no? Because after you have the document that you relax yourself, no? You have to play well, no? And to be ready to inform, to be ready to play well all the time. And this means that you have to be all the time at the top. It's not possible to don't play well, otherwise it's not nice for the record, it's not nice for the orchestra, it's not nice for you, no? It's my idea. And I arrived in my orchestra, I say before, in 2003, already 20 years that I'm there. And before I played, of course, in other orchestra, but not like stable, not like a fixed player. I played 2 years like a guest in Concertgebouw. I played a few times in Scala, Filarmonica da Scala, in Santa Cecilia, in Bologna, in Mahler Chamber Orchestra, long time ago. I did really. I did a lot of things before, no? And I try to come inside some Italian orchestra, but I arrived all the time in the audition second or third, and this it's okay. I am happy like what I'm doing now, because now I have this job in Lugano with my orchestra. I have a job in Lucerne in the Hochschule, and I have a lot of students, a lot of activity, and I'm very happy.
Any advice for the clarinetistas del futuro?
I think that it's possible to suggest something for the young clarinet player. No, I think that you have a lot of information now. You have a lot of idea. In internet, you have on YouTube. It's possible to listen 1,000 versions of Mozart, 1,000 versions of Weber, and this is fantastic. This is what we didn't have when you were young. But you have to take care about the selection, about what is not that what is good or what is not good, what you need, because it's very important to follow some direction, no? And like I say you before in the previous question, try to understand the structure of the piece, no? To try to practice in the clever way, no? Not only the notes, not only the nice sound. It's all the package, no? It's not only sound and technique, intonation. This is the basic. You need to put around this kind of technique yourself, your personality, your musicality. No? I was the same when I was young. Someone say, no, but when you go to do the audition, you have to play in this way. When you play in the concert, you have to play in this way. When you play, it's not possible. We are not. I am not able to play in different way for different occasions. I am Paolo, and I play in this way. If I have to do one audition, one competition, one concert, of course, probably you have to play a bit less, forte, less. I don't know. But really, don't miss yourself. It's really important that you show the people who you are, and try to do your best. Try to play, to practice a lot, but clever way. It's not possible to play 10 hours to practice only one passage. No. I'm saying that when I was young, I practiced a lot. Really, I practiced sometimes 7-8 hours. I was not someone say you have to practice. I practiced because I wanted. I like to play. It was my hobby, my job, all. But now I still use that time when I practice a lot for my technique, for my way to see the music. It's very important. It's very important to be ready to all. Not to say, I'm not ready to play Mozart for the audition. Yes, but if you play Mozart the last 10 years, Mozart is all the time the same. You change, because it's very important to think that we are changing our life all the time. The progress, the world go very fast, but the music of Mozart is the same. The same note, the same articulation, the same... like Weber, all the composers. We change, and we have to be able to try to keep this music in our age, in our era now. But really, we have to try to be ourselves. I think this is my honest opinion, no? Because it's not possible to play different in the different situation. And try to be curious, try to be flexible. I think that the most important word for us now is flexibility. It's not possible to play, like I said before, no? We need to be ourselves, but we need to be flexible, because we are I don't know, I played 100 times with Beethoven 5 Symphony, but you have to be flexible, because one time you play with one conductor, another time with another conductor. You have to be flexible because, I don't know, I play in a different acoustic, the same concert. I have two concerts, the acoustic, the first one is with a lot of resonance, the second one is without resonance, is a very dry hall. I have to be flexible to try to change my sound, my color of the sound, I don't know. I have to be flexible because I play with the same piece with different people, no? Same piece with different people. I have to be flexible because sure, the music is not the same. And I think that this what I try to teach to my students. Try to be flexible because today you play in this way, tomorrow it's possible that you play different. No? and this is really what we have to think about.